basically, I want to see what the footage look like. I'm actually shooting Blackmagic RAW, and my setting that I'm shooting it in is constant bitrate, 3:1, Blackmagic RAW. So I'm shooting with the Viltrox 75 f1.2 at 1.2. I want to see what the quality looks like on screen. It looks a bit overexposed on the monitor, but on the camera itself, it looks pretty good. And I'm shooting in F-Log2. I don't know what the, how the code that work and what it looks like. And we have me over there just being her nice little self. All right, so let me do a nice little test shot right now. So I want to do a close-up. So let me just go in a little bit more. Right? All right. Recording now. Oh, so when I realize when I start recording, the color changes and it looks a bit better. So I don't know if it's going to, like, lose it, but this looks pretty good. I like what it looks like. Look to me. It's actually getting the eyes focus and everything right now, and it looks pretty good. All right, I love this. Nice, nice. Turn around. Oh, my belly look big. My belly look big. Yeah. All right, all right. I lose focus a while ago. All right, and picks up back her face pretty fast. I'm gonna stop. The good thing about shooting like this is, like, I can control the monitor. Well, not like I can record to the monitor by pressing the record button on the camera, and I'm good. On the X-T5, and I'm good. All right, so let me get a full body. Stand where the water is, but I need to go back in the shade because I don't want to get this camera wet. So I have Kazi over there shooting on the FX Street. All right, so this looks pretty good. I love the bouquet that I get from it. You get me? We found that flower. Let's pick up something and just put in the head. Wow. Wow. But this looks really good. Yo, this looks really good. See me? Nice and clean. So I'm shooting at 6.2K. 30 frames. I don't know what this looks like in Blackmagic. No, I don't know what this looks like in DaVinci Resolve because that's the software I'm going to edit in. Oh crap, it lose focus, but it picks it up. But oh, it's losing focus. Oh, what the hell? Okay. I don't know what this looks like in DaVinci Resolve because typically I'm a Final Cut user. So hopefully it's okay. And stop. We have Kaze on screen. All right, not bad. I just testing out the skin tone. This looks really good. All right, getting it. And we have Mia. Where is she? Right down there. Why is it not picking up her face? All right, to pick up her face now. All right, she have the Sony FX3 right now. In heavy, you know, struggle. All right, put it back to Kaze. Focus not really pick up that fast, but it actually work. Rolling shutter, crazy. Oh, take a while for pick up focus. All right, not that bad, not that bad, not that bad. Focus not that bad. All right, all right, all right. Focus at work. All right, so I want to be in front of the camera because I'm the darker one out of them two brown people here, them two light skinned people here, so I can put myself in front of the camera and see what it look like. All right, let's go. Oh, you know, it's a record. You say no, you see why I get the up and down tilt. All right, look. What I'm trying not to do. Okay, so if you point towards the hills, right? You getting the clouds in the hills, or does the sky look overcast? Kind of overcast? It blurred out. Yes, that sounded weird a while ago. All right, so am I in focus now? All right, can I just press the record button and see what it looks like? Remember that red knob. If you want to lock it, you just turn each thing so I don't move from where I'm standing. Instead of hold it, you can lock that. You lock it, and then you lock the neck so it doesn't turn. Once the box is directly over my face, you know I'm good. You good? All right, so this is my skin tone right now. So three different light, three different skin tone. You have extremely dark, and then you have above me, like a good, huh? Then you have a little bit above me, and then you have way above me. You get me? So this is what it looks like, right? I don't know if the autofocus picking up pretty good. Still picking up? All right, and no one of the good thing about this monitor, I can see that it's currently still recording because there's a tally light in the front, and then because there's also a tally light at the front on the screen, I should say, so I can see there's a tally light in the front and a tally light at the back, so I can see from right here and see it. And this is what it looks like shooting on a Blackmagic 12G externally from the Fuji X-T5. So I don't know if this quality looks extremely good, but I'm going to do a very close-up one. Hopefully it doesn't pick up my pupils too much. So let's cut to a more tighter scene. This looks so nice. Where you drop it? Look, I should drop it. Yo, this looks really good. Nice. But I'm going to walk in closer still. He's stepping out the frame. He's stepping out the frame. Step more to the side here. Yeah, step. Too much step. Yeah, step heavy. Yes, right here, so. Yeah, this is pretty good. Let me adjust this ND filter a little bit. Yo, this nice, you know? This really nice. Yo. All right, so let me walk in. Let me walk in with this camera. Let me see how close I can get. Yo, the bokeh on this lens is amazing. A good thing is I choose the 75, you know, because like I love what the 75 renders videos and also photos. This looks really good. Yo, man, I say every bump in your face, no mama. When I lie, you know, man, I say every bump in your face. Yo, this is nice. Extremely nice. Wonder if I can go in any closer. You can step closer to me or no? Yeah, even if you step up there, so I'll try walking closer to you. Let me see how close I can go. All right, so I'm a bit closer now. All right, just keep your head up. Oh wait, step up, step down back, step down. Yeah, you don't have to step up because you lose balance when you're there, so. All right, turn your head that direction here. Yeah, just keep it like that. All right. So the only thing I hate is like, before I start record, the image looks weird. You get me? And then when I start record, the color looks better, like way better, because I'm not sure why. Let me see if I can put this use my phone and show you guys an example, because it doesn't make sense I use the camera because I'm not showing it. Right? So this is what it looks like. So normally I record, you know, see if I should stop record. It looks weird. It looks purple, magenta-ish, right? And then when I start record, see the color come back, and I don't mind that, but it looks I'm like wondering why. Why? So this is my setting right now. Okay. So I guess let me test myself out and see how I look on the screen around there. This gorgeous individual right now. So let's go. All right. All right. So this is what this image looks like. You get me? I don't know how the autofocus is. You get me? Lose focus a while ago? A little. So if I turn sideways, you can see me properly? Yeah, focus. All right. It's supposed to see every bump in my face, don't it? All of them. Yo, I don't know. I was trying to like get this nice crispy image out the way, you see me? But yeah. I came all the way over here, you know, from St. Catherine just to get no noise, no interruption. I was hunting for food, but I finally found food, so I'm actually going to go home and see what this footage looks like.